A very good morning, students. So, let's see here parallel line. So, we have completed up to question exercise 6.1. So, now next topic we have to discuss here. So, let's start here parallel line. So, what is the definition of parallel line which you have learned since class 8? So, parallel line, that means two line which never intersect each other. Two line which never intersect each other and having equal distance between them is known as parallel line. That means two line. One line is this one and second line is this one. Two line. Line definition, that means there should be no end point. There will be arrow on both sides and it will goes on continuously in the opposite directions. This one is also a line which will goes on continuously. There is no end point. So now students, two line. One line is this one, suppose L. Second line is this one, M. Two lines which never intersect each other. That means they will not intersect to each other. How much it will increase and increase in this portion also. But they will not going to intersect each other. And having equal distance. That means their distance should be equal. Check it. If you measure from the scale, if it is 5 centimeters, so each and every lines, everywhere you will get that 5 centimeters. So that means definition now it is clear. Two lines which never intersect each other and having equal distance between these two lines. Clear now? So as we are looking a railway track, that means they are always parallel. They are not going to intersect each other. They will be the parallel only. And their gap between these two tracks, their gap will be equal. Somewhere there will be no key, it is the large gap and the smaller gap. No, you will not find out that one. Their gap between the two tracks, their gap will be the same only. Clear, students? So parallel line, write down the definitions. So now let's see here transversal line. Next line is the transversal. All these points you have to write down in your notebooks. So now let's see here transversal line. Transversal line, that means a line which intersects two or more line is known as transversal line. A line which intersects two or more line. This one. A line which intersects two or more line. So suppose we have taken here two line. So this is known as transversal line. T we are denoting here. So transversal line is intersecting at line L at point A, and same transversal line intersecting line M at point B. Then at point A it will be divided into four angles. Suppose this one is the angle number 1 and this one is the angle number 2 and this is the angle number 3 and this one is 4. In the same way, transversal line intersect at point B, then it also divided into four angles. That means angle number 5, angle number 6, angle number 7, angle number 8. Anyone have problems till here? So now students, what we have to do it here? Some corresponding angles we are getting here. Pairs of corresponding angle. Pairs of corresponding angle, that means angle 1 and angle 5 is the pairs of corresponding angles. So corresponding angle. Corresponding angles. Pair of corresponding angle. Pairs of corresponding angle. Corresponding angle, that means angle 1 and angle 5 is pairs of corresponding angles. Angle 1 and angle 5 is the pairs of corresponding angle. Angle 4 and angle 8, it is also pairs of corresponding angle. Angle 4 comma angle 8, it is also pairs of corresponding angles. Angle 2 and angle 6. Angle 2, comma angle 6. It is also pairs of corresponding angles. Angle 3 and angle 7. Angle 3 and angle 7. It is also pairs of corresponding angles. So up to here, students, clear? These are the pairs of corresponding angles. So now pairs of alternate interior angles. Which are the pairs of alternate interior angles? Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angle. So now we will discuss here. Before discussing this part, we will discuss only interior angles. So when transversal line T intersects these two parallel lines at point A and B, so this all the points will be divided into total 8 angles. So angle 3rd and angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6 are the interior angle because they lie inside between these two lines. That's why it is the interior angle. Angle 3 and 4, angle 5 and 6, they are known as interior angle because they lie inside between these two lines. They lie inside between the track. That's why it is known as interior. Interior means inside. And exterior angles, so exterior angle means that angles which lie outside the track, outside this line. So that means angle 1 and angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8 are the exterior angle. Clear now? So now students, alternate interior angle means what you will get here? Angle 3 and angle 5, it is the alternate interior angle. Angle 4 and angle 6, this one is the alternate interior angle. So let's see here, angle 3 and angle 5. This one is the alternate interior angle. Angle 4 and angle 6. Angle 4 and angle 6. It is also alternate interior angle. Clear, students? And vertically opposite angle, you may knowing. So angle 1 and angle 3 is the vertically opposite angle. Angle 2 and angle 4 is the vertically opposite angle. Angle 5 and angle 7, it is also vertically opposite angle. Angle 6 and angle 8, it is also vertically opposite angle. So students, all these points you have to write down in your notebook. So video should not become a large. So next